Hey guys, Jason with Ingrain Woodworks here. So I posted this video as a short, and after I got done I thought maybe somebody would like some type of explanation. So there was a bad spot on one of these pieces of wood when I did the glue up, and I'll be honest, I barely even noticed it. I was so focused on getting the pedestal right that I just didn't even notice. This is a pretty high-end piece of furniture that I'm putting out, and so I really want it to be perfect, even though this is the bottom side of this pedestal. So I mark out the bad spot with my pencil. I actually came back, if you saw there, with a blade, and I do that to prevent tear out from when I start routing it out. I get my straight bit, and I really go about an 1/8 inch on this first pass, just really trying to stay inside that line, trying to keep it as straight as I can. Slow is key here. You really don't want the router to get away from you, and just take your time. Once I make that first pass, I'm going to adjust to my final depth, which in this case is a 1/4 inch. I'll make that second pass probably just as slow, but it is a little easier following that first pass. If you were straight on that first pass, it's a lot easier. To get done with that last pass, I'm going to take my woodpecker tool here, make sure that I'm at a 1/4 inch, which I am. And I actually forgot to film myself rip the piece of wood, but it's not that important. Going to get the glue in there, spread it out really good. You want to make sure you're covering all parts of that. And then I'm going to hammer in this piece, take a little glue on the cracks because I'm not perfect. And then take my sander with 120 grit, get it all smooth, and there's your finished product. It's like it never happened.